What's going on YouTube? CEO in the making, back with another video, and today we're checking out the MPow MX1 True Wireless Earbuds. Current price on these is 36 bucks on Amazon, and at the moment they do have a coupon code available which is going to knock these down to about 30 bucks, which is a really good deal once you factor in everything that you're getting, all the specs, all the features. So after you watch this video, if you're interested in grabbing a pair, be sure to check out the affiliate links down in the description. So we're going to cover all the details, help you guys decide if this is going to be a good pair for you. So if you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button for more videos just like this one. Also, if there's something specific that you're looking for about these earbuds, feel free to check out the timestamps down in the description as well. So inside the box, you're going to get the earbuds along with the charging case. You're also going to get a USB Type-C charging cable and of course your usual paperwork and instructions. Taking a look at the charging case, as you can see, it's a nice compact size. You got a matte finish all the way around and you've got some MPow branding engraved on the lid. On the front of the case, you do have 4 LED indicator lights to let you know the remaining battery status. And then on the back of the case is where you have your USB Type-C charging port. One thing that really impressed me about the charging case on this is that it does support wireless charging. I think this is the lowest priced item I've featured on the channel that features wireless charging, so definitely impressive for MPow to include that on such a budget pair of earbuds. Also, I really like the hinge on the lid of the case. It feels very sturdy, so when you open the case, the lid stays in place and it doesn't just fall back down like we've seen with some other cases. Moving on to the earbuds, as you can see, they've got the long stem design and it's a pretty subtle look overall, pretty much matte black all the way around with no real branding or anything like that. The earbuds do feature touch sensitive controls, so towards the top of the earbuds is the surface that you're going to use to control your music. Right underneath that, you do have an LED indicator light to let you know whenever the earbuds are in pairing mode. Also, each earbud does feature 2 microphones, so you've got one located towards the top and then one towards the bottom of the stem. So the earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.0. As far as codecs, you're looking at SBC and AAC. So unfortunately, no aptX with these. They do have stereo as well as mono mode, so you're able to listen to either the left or the right earbud independently. Like I mentioned earlier, each earbud has 2 microphones for a total of 4 microphones altogether, and they do feature noise canceling technology for phone calls, which is going to help eliminate background noise and focus specifically on your voice, so we'll be sure to do a microphone test later in the video. As far as battery life, you're going to get roughly 5 hours from the earbuds on a single charge, and the charging case is going to give you about an additional 30 hours for a total of 35 hours of listening time. You're also getting an IPX8 water resistant rating, which is going to make these safe for the gym if you sweat heavily or if you want to wear them outdoors in the rain. Even if you drop them in a pool of water, as long as you don't leave them in there for too long, these are going to hold up just fine. As far as watching videos and movies on your usual YouTube, Netflix, there isn't any noticeable audio lag or latency, but let's go ahead and do a test to see how they perform. So when it comes to the fit on these earbuds, these are definitely on the comfortable side. These are another pair of open style earbuds, meaning that they don't feature silicone ear tips, so they just kind of rest in your ears without creating too much pressure. At the same time, the earbuds do give you a nice secure fit, so if you want to wear these to the gym to work out or just on the go in general, you're not going to have any problems with them falling out of your ears. The touch controls work very well and they give you full control over your music. So you get your play and pause, your track controls, your volume controls, and your voice assistant. Now let's go ahead and talk about the sound quality. So these are going to give you about what you would expect for this style of earbud. Like I said, no silicone ear tips with these, so don't expect a lot of hard-hitting deep sub bass or anything like that. These are going to give you a much more balanced type of sound. So you're getting some decent mids and highs. They do give you some bass so that it doesn't sound brittle, but again, don't expect any deep, hard-hitting bass. One thing I will say is that I do feel like they could use 1, maybe 2 more notches of volume. They're not exactly quiet, but they are quieter than some other open style earbuds that I've tested. Overall, you're getting a nice casual listening experience, which I do feel is going to be more than suitable for majority of listeners. Now let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you an idea of the call quality. Alright, so this is a microphone test of the MPow MX1 True Wireless Earbuds. So this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you use these earbuds to take phone calls in a quiet environment. Now let's see how they sound once we add some background noise. Alright, so we got some crowd noise being played on a speaker. So this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you use these earbuds in a more noisy environment. As always, you guys be the judge. So overall, for the price, I do feel that these are a solid option. You're getting some impressive specs, including wireless charging. You're getting some great build quality. You're getting a comfortable fit and some really good sound to go along with it. So again, if you're interested in grabbing a pair, be sure to check out the affiliate links down in the description to make sure you get the most up-to-date price. Also, it does help support the channel anytime you make purchases directly through the links that I provide. So if that's something that you're looking to do, I would greatly appreciate it. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. So that's going to be it for this video. As always, I'll see you guys next time.